So for example, this is the product San Maxi Prime. You put BUL name. After nyo gumawa ng proposal, just put the details here and then the face amount. I think this is doubled na. So kung ang VUL niya times 2 agad. So when you put the, let's say you put 1M. Enter, automatic na siya to 2M. So naka-formulate na siya. Unless of course hindi siya nagdo-double like ano ba mo hindi nagdo-double Sunflexi-Link. Then you put the riders here, years to pay, and eto kapag nilagay na ninyo yung annual rate niya, let's say ang annual rate niya is 30,000. Enter, automatic na yung semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly. Naka-formula na tong mga to. Ito ang hindi naka-formula. Yung age 60, 65, and 70, you will have to get it from the proposal. Titingnan ninyo yung either your 8% or the 10% na fund value at the age of 60, ilagay nyo sila dito. 60, 65, and 70. And then, ito ang ibibigay natin sa client, hindi yung proposal. So, Hazel, for you, since marami sila, lahat dito na mga employees ilagay mo. If dito mo ilalagay yan yung name nila. Let's say what's the name? April. Yan. And then, all the others here, ilalagay mga pangalan nila. Papagagawa ka ng proposal. Usually, just 500,000 lang. Should be okay. 500,000. Start with that. And kung mahal ang CIB and mag-offer naman sila ng iba, huwag mo nalagyan ng CIB. Yung automatic lang na TDB, ADB, yan, hindi yan masyadong mahal. Yan, and then 10 years, and then dito mo lalagay yung annual, and then automatic na yan na maglalagay ng mga amounts dyan. Yung fund value at 60, 65, 70, yun ang titingnan ninyo sa proposal. And then ito naman yung if we have options to give to the clients. For example, itong mag-asawa na to, no? Sun Life Assure, option 1. Sun Life Assure, dun sa husband is insured, ito yung Sun Life Assure niya. And then, si wife naman, nagbigay din ako ng Sun Maxi Prime. Ina, yan ang pangalan ng wife. Ito, 500,000 lang. And then, of course, as VUL, meron niyang fund value. Then, I also gave Sun Maxi 100 doon naman sa daughter nila. Yan. And then, Sun Maxi 100 doon sa isa pang anak nila. And nilagyan ko na ng total. So, this is for a family of 4. So, ang monthly nila, lahat na sila, 9,900. And at the age of 60, yan, ito yung 16 nila silang mag-asawa to. So, depende yan kung sino yung kinokomputan ninyo. Pero at least, they know na at the age of 60, meron silang ganitong total sa mga policies nila pag tinotal nila. So, kahit na ang ginamit nila yung, in-insure nila yung mga anak nila, pero at the age of 16 nila, eto na yung pera nung policy nung anak nila. So, at least they're looking at 3 million. Option 2, binigyan ko naman sa option 2, kung sila lang mag-asawa, Sun Life Assure lang at saka Sun Maxi Prime. Ito naman yung total nila, 10,000 a month. So, of course, mas mura pa rin ito, no? Pero, titingnan nyo yung coverage din, ha? Ito kasi 2 million, tapos ito 1 million. Pero kanina tig 2 million pala sila dito. Pero kanina 3M lang yung coverage. Ito yung monthly nila. Option 3 naman kung may health, kasi hanap din nila health. Yan. So, ito naman 9,000 yung monthly nila. Option 4, yan. 8,000. Option 5, option 6, yan. So, ang ginagawa ko dito is binibigyan ko ng option yung mga clients. So, they know, kapag binigay ko na to sa kanila, mamimili na lang sila, anong gusto ninyong option dyan. O, di yun ang gagawin ko for them. Kasi alam na nila how much is their monthly premium pag itong option na to ang kinuha nila. So, of course, nag-follow up ka rin ng explanation dyan. Once you have done this, explain mo yan isa-isa sa kanila.